I was a liar, I gave into the fire. I know I should have fought it, at least I'm being honest. Feel like a failure, cause I know that I failed you. I should have done you better, cause you don't wanna lie. And I know, and I know, and I know he gives you everything, but girl, I couldn't give it to you. And I know, and I know, and I know that you got everything, but I got nothing here without you. So one last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. One more time, I promise after that I'll let you go. Baby, I don't care if you got him in your heart. All I really care is you wake up in my arms. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. I don't deserve it, I know I don't deserve it, but stay with me a minute, I swear I'll make it worth it. Can you forgive me, at least just temporarily? I know that this is my fault, I should have been more careful. And I know, and I know, and I know he gives you everything, but girl, I couldn't give it to you. And I know, and I know, and I know that you got everything, but I got nothing here without you, baby. So one last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. One more time, I promise after that I'll let you go. Baby, I don't care if you got him in your heart. All I really care is you wake up in my arms. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home. One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home.
Dancing on the beat.
他醒来了，发现周围一片漆黑，坐在候机室里等待凌晨4点起飞。流干的眼泪，离开与返回，带着包裹里的闷香和疲惫渐渐入睡。他被流放，是个战士在流浪，从真实到假笑都变得那么流畅。心情已经麻木，表情像冰一样冷。现在的他是他曾经最憎恨的人，祭奠每个昨天，任着岁月摆布杀戮，把身上的每道伤疤纹成了塔图。他抓住挂在胸前的铁片，厌恶使身体心如钢铁被冶炼，已经无法辨认嘴里吐的是盐是物，流进嘴里的眼泪到底是咸是苦？流浪是祸是福，到底如何才算知足？在梦和家的方向里不停踟蹰。
The light on the horizon was brighter yesterday. The shadows floating over, the scars begin to fade. You said it was forever, but then it slipped away. Standing at the end of the final masquerade.
望眼欲穿的徘徊在家的站台，期待把谁盼来，期待谁在站外。将要离开的眼泪还是无法掩盖命运安排，所以回到了现在。凌晨还醒着，他在深夜忏悔，装着梦想的球鞋还散着汗味。熟悉又陌生的记忆闪回，如今奔波着赚的钱又糜烂味。太多次的经历让他精神失忆，太多的故事渐渐认清自己。但是再多选择也不至于崩溃，被针对的现实理想总是事与愿违。给我借个火，他对路人说，这黑夜也每次与他相照肝胆，只怪自己弱，不敢承认错，一杯酒精也只是为了不再有苦难言。
The light on the horizon was brighter yesterday. The shadow